This is the first step in learning how to juggle. So obviously you've signed up to my tutorial and you want to learn how to do this to give you all of the access to the benefits that I've talked to that include being able to get centered and present really quickly and doing it through juggling. So how do we do that? Well, the first step is to start with one ball. So take one ball and I want you to throw it from one hand to the other. Now, obviously you need to have your hands at about waist height. So side on, waist height, elbows bent around right angles, and I want you to throw the ball from your dominant hand, your right hand or left hand if it's dominant, and I want you to throw the ball from your left to your right, slight bend in your knee, and just see if you can get that happening. Now try and avoid passing it across the bottom, it's a common mistake, or sometimes reaching up to the ball, or sort of passing the ball like this. That is not going to help you. We want nice curvy arc in the ball, and ultimately juggling follows a figure eight pattern. So the ball should follow loosely a figure eight pattern, and it should remain on the same plane if you turn sideways. So you can see how the ball doesn't go forward like this or back like this, it remains on the same plane. So that's some of the key learnings that you need to be aware of. So the other thing, in your frame, if you chuck it to about eye height and shoulder width, if you hit that corner, the ball should drop into your hand perfectly. So you're not focused specifically on the ball with your eyes, you're just allowing the ball to drop into your hand if you throw it correctly. So the ultimate focus in juggling is the throw, not the catch. So once you're able to repeat this and throw perfectly from your right to your left 100 times without dropping it, then you're ready to move on to the next step, which is two-ball juggling, which will be in the next tutorial. Good luck practicing.